Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Initial Solution. In this video, we'll show you how to remove threads badge on Instagram profile. So go for your Instagram. Now you have to go for in this of your profile. Now you can see here a tiny threads icon. So you have to click on it, go for hide badge. After that, you have to just click on in this remove badge and your threads badge has been will removed from your Instagram. So this is how you can remove threads badge on Instagram. Hope this video helped you guys. If it did, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.
This video is sponsored by Xirosoft. Xirosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing, and web development. Elevate your brand with Xirosoft today. For more details, check the description box.